Hello everyone, welcome back to our discussion. Today we are going to discuss about exponential equations. Oops, sorry, I need to use black one, not the right one, yeah? Exponential equations. Okay, so I have some problems here. Okay, solve the following equations. A, we have 8 times half to the power of x plus 2 equals to 2 to the power x. B, we have 5 to the power x plus 1 minus 20 out of 10 plus 5 to the power of x, which is equals to 3. Okay, we try to solve this one by one. Okay, now let's see question A. Okay, this is the solution. Question A, yeah? So 8 times half to the power x plus 2 equals to 2 to the power x. So the first thing I need to do, yeah, I just distribute the power x to the fraction inside the bracket. So as we know, 1 to the power of x is still 1, and then this 2 to the power of x plus 2 equals to 2 to the power of x. Okay, then I prefer to avoid fraction. So I need to do this, right? Multiply everything so you avoid the fraction with 2 to the power of x. Then what we have, this is 8, this is 2 to the power of x, and this one 2 to the power of x, this one square. Okay, then look at this. To make the calculation easy, yeah, to make the calculation easy, I prefer to change this. Yeah, look at this number. So actually we can change this, okay, by using any, let's say, any variable. Which one do you prefer? For example, just make the numbers with the exponent there. Yeah, 2 to the power x, this is equal to b, for example. Then what will you have? So this must be 8 plus 2b equals to b square. Yeah, so it leads you into quadratic equation. This is quadratic equation, right? Then you can solve this. B squared minus 2b minus 8 equals 0. You can factorize this directly. This become P minus 4, P plus 2. Okay, then what is P? P is 4 or P is minus 2. What do you think? Are we done? Of course not yet. This is not the final answer because we are solving for x. Okay, so since, yeah, continue here. Since p equals to 2 to the power x, so just return it. So 2 to the power x equals to 4. Okay, so we just solve one by one. This one first. Okay, so we got this one. Yeah, so when p equals to 4, so this actually 2 to the power x equals to 2 square. So x equals to 2. You got the solution where x equals to 2. Okay, then how about when p equals to negative 2? Is it possible for us to find what x is? What do you think? This is impossible in A. So this cannot be solved. Yeah. So the only answer we have is when x equals to 2. That's for the first question. What do you think? Is that difficult? I think not really, yeah? Okay, now we continue with question B. I'm using another color, yeah? B, I think the same concept as question A can apply for question B. This is 5 to the power x plus 1 minus 20 out of 10 plus 5 to the power of x, which is 3. Okay, so directly, I want to avoid fraction, so I just multiply everything with 10 plus 5 to the power x. So I have 5x plus 1 minus 20 equals to 3 times 10 plus 5 to the power x. Okay, now here we go. Then 5 to the power x plus 1 minus 20 equals to, this is 30 plus 3 times 5 to the power x. Yeah, you cannot multiply 3 with 5 directly since this is exponential. So what will you have? Yeah, so just make it like this. 3 times 5 to the power x. Then I split this. So I will have 5 to the power of x times 5. Remember property of exponent. Yeah, we can split them. Minus 20, this is 30 plus 3 times 5x, and then just transfer everything here. This is, yeah, minus 3, and then minus 20 minus 30 equals to 0. Yeah, you can make it like this. Then let 5 to the power x equals to a, for example. So you have 5a minus 3a minus 50 equals to 0. Then what will you have? You will have 2a minus 50 equals to 0. Then 2a, sorry, this is 2a equals to 50. Then a is 25. Okay, now since 5 to the power x equals to a, then 5 to the power x equals to 25. Then 5 to the power x equals to, this is 5 squared, then x equals to 2. That's the solution. X equals to 2. Right? Actually, yeah, if you want the short way, look at this, yeah, you don't need to split this one. Okay, just directly, yeah. We need to split this actually, yeah. Yeah, we need to split this. So what I mean here is, yeah, you cannot, not you cannot do, but you you don't have to do this, yeah. So if you want to do directly, yes, this we need to split, yeah. This we need to split, yeah, because it will make our calculation easier, sorry, for my previous statement, yeah. But what I mean, yeah, you don't need to do this. It doesn't matter, yeah. You can use a direct calculation, for example, yeah, this is 5 times 5 to the power of x minus 20 minus 30 minus 3 times 5 to the power of x, which is 0, right? And then they have now the same exponent number, yeah, and directly 5, since they have the same exponent number, so you can subtract directly. 5 minus 3 is 2, so this is 2 times 5 to the power x, and you know this one is minus 50, this is minus 50. Okay, so 2 times 5 to the power of x equals to 50. Then 5 to the power of x equals to 25. Then 5 to the power of x is 5 squared. Then x equals to 2. That's the solution, right? So you can use either this way, yeah, with the blue color, or directly like the red color here. Yeah, it will give you the same solution. Okay, what do you think for our discussion this morning? Yeah, they're not that difficult, yeah. I think they are still easy. Hopefully you can understand this. Okay, I think that's for today, yeah, about exponential equation. We will continue next time in the next video, exponential equation part 2, and we are trying to solve the intermediate level question. Okay, I think that's for today. Thank you for your kind attention, and hopefully this will be useful for all of you. And bye-bye.